Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Facebook to Buffer in 2026. If you want to schedule Facebook posts, manage your content more efficiently, and publish automatically, this guide will help you connect your account step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're using the account where you want to manage your Facebook content. Next, look for the Connect Channel or Add Channel button. Click on it to view the list of social media platforms supported by Buffer. Now select Facebook from the available options. Buffer will redirect you to the Facebook login page if you're not already signed in. Next, log in to your Facebook account using your email address and password. If you're already logged in, simply continue to the next step. Now Facebook will ask you to grant Buffer permission to access your account. Review the requested permissions and click Continue or Allow to authorize the connection. Next, choose the Facebook page you want to connect. If you manage multiple pages, make sure you select the correct one before continuing. Now confirm your selection and wait a few seconds while Buffer completes the connection process. Once the setup is finished, return to your Buffer dashboard. You should now see your Facebook page listed among your connected channels. Finally, create a test post, schedule it for a future time, and verify that it appears in your publishing queue. This confirms that your Facebook account has been connected successfully and is ready for automatic posting. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Facebook to Buffer step by step. You can now schedule posts, manage your content, and publish automatically from one convenient dashboard. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.